let's be honest, you need about 3 incomes just to make it out here. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make passive income, how to make money, especially online. Living through this pandemic, it taught, well, just from personal experience, it taught me a lot because, yeah, your job is not dependable. Let's just say it. I'm just saying. So I'm going to open my apple cider, and today I'm doing a new one. This one is rosé. You guys can see rosé. All my suggestions I'm giving you guys, I do personally, and I'm just gonna say this before I start. I have a small following, especially on Instagram, TikTok. Well, my TikTok is actually growing faster than anything. And if you guys are on YouTube now, so you guys see my following. I don't have a large following, but I'm still making money, and my money is not as much as everybody else's, but I am satisfied with what's coming. Well, actually, I'm not satisfied. I am proud of what I'm earning, what's coming in so far. I'm gonna show you guys how much I make as a small YouTuber, how much I made on TikTok so far, and so forth. So let's just jump straight into this video. So the first thing, of course, I'm going to talk about social media. That is the fastest way to make money, guys. Speaking for myself, like I said, I have a small following. So let's just talk about TikTok first, because I am so impressed about how their algorithm works, and I feel like YouTube needs to take some pointers from them. On TikTok, I only have about 19,000 followers, and that's amazing. You get paid, it's not that much. So far, I have about, I don't know how many, okay, their system's a little different than YouTube. So from TikTok, all I've been making so far is about some change, literally change. But, you know, I'm happy with that. But the one thing that I am amazed with is going on live on TikTok. And you still get paid by going on live. And also, your followers can give you money on live. It's not that much, but it is something. And I am, you know, like I said, I'm grateful for anything. So you can cash out when you hit $10. That's the threshold for cashing out on live. I'm just saying, TikTok has potential. That's what I'm thinking about. It has potential. And the thing with me about my TikTok, I recycle content. So literally, whatever I post on YouTube, I'll just cut it down and I'll post it on TikTok. And I actually have a video on how to grow on TikTok, because I am so impressed how fast I grew on TikTok. I am. And I'm going to tag that video below so you guys can check it out. YouTube is a different battle, guys, especially for me. My process has been so slow. So this is what it is. So once you hit, I believe, 1,000 followers and how much watch hours? 4,000 watch hours, I think. Okay, so once you hit that, that's when you start getting monetized, right? So for their pay, once you hit 10,000 views with that Google AdSense, once you hit 10,000 views, that's $100. So put that in perspective. But with me, like I said, my progress is so slow. Like I said about TikTok, it has potential, and it is something like, I do this as a hobby. It's something I enjoy to do, and it's something I'm getting paid for as well. So like, that's the icing on the cake. So I do suggest that everyone creates a YouTube channel, just because it is passive income once it blows up. Actually, you don't even know, like, you know what I mean? Like, one day it might just blow up. Like, I had one video that got over 20,000 views, but now I'm still trickling down and get like under 30 views now. But anyway, I'm not here to vent, but I'm here to teach you guys. My next tip is start a business or resell your items. So this is what me and my mom do. Me and mom have a small business. If you guys don't know, we sell clothes online, and we do pop-ups literally every week. Every week we've been going hard, and so you guys should subscribe to my channel, or consider subscribing to my channel, so you guys can get to know us and you can see how we run a business. So the link's in the bio. I do have so many videos on how to start a business, how to run a business, and how to make money on a business. So like I said, everything's gonna be in the description box. But I feel like a small business or online business, it does take a long time to get your foot off the ground, but when it does, it's nice extra income on the side. And so like with our online business, we recycle content. So if we post something on Instagram, we're gonna do the same thing on TikTok and on YouTube, but we're doing a different variation. I'm gonna give you an example. Like, I'm gonna insert a video or something for you guys can see how we post it on each of our social media platforms. And so it goes hand in hand, and it's basically growing off of each other in a sense. So yeah, some of our pop-ups that we do have to pay for the location, and others are free. But the ones that are free is so competitive, and you have to wake up so early just to get you a good spot. But yeah, I'm just saying, this is just a suggestion if you guys are looking for extra income. So now let's talk about reselling your products. If you have a lot of items, as in like designer, there's sites where you can resell it. Like you can do it on Etsy or Poshmark. Those are two of my favorite. I can't speak. I'm sorry. Those are my two of my favorite reselling places. I have a lot of designer stuff that I do have. Sometimes I don't even use them, so I resell them, get the money, and then I usually go out and buy some more or just save the money. But like that's an option for you guys if you guys are looking for extra income. That was a mouthful. So my final tip is stocks. Buying into stocks. Now, I'm not an expert on buying into stocks. The only reason I got into stocks when that big thing happened on TikTok, if you guys don't know, basically somebody leaked about Dogecoin. It's like a little, I don't know the whole story, but basically everybody was saying buy into Dogecoin, and that's when I started really investing into stocks. So basically I only invested $10, and now I'm about $100. It grew about $90. So I'm like okay. So I do suggest you guys try to look into it. You don't have to pay as much money as everybody else. I've been seeing people saying they put thousands of dollars into stock. I only put $10 and it grew. So I'm like, I'm happy with that. So that is a suggestion for you guys too, to buy into stock. So that's it on my tips on how to make money. If you guys want me to go in depth on anything, I can do a video on each of the topics. I don't mind it, you know what I mean? I enjoy doing these videos, and I do hope that you guys do consider subscribing to my channel. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, lifestyles. I talk about everything, but like I said, I have a tunnel vision right now, so I'm only focusing on entrepreneur life right now until, you know, something else comes along. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.